In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Epic Games account step by step. This is a simple process, but before you do it, it's important to understand exactly what happens when you submit the request. Your account will not disappear instantly, and there are some serious consequences you should know about before confirming. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign into your Epic Games account using your browser. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking your profile name or account icon and then selecting the settings area. When the account settings page opens, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account, especially if you have more than one login connected to Epic. Next, scroll down the account settings page until you find the Delete Account section. This is the area where Epic places the option for removing your account permanently. When you see it, click Delete Account to begin the deletion process. At this point, Epic Games will show you a warning message. Read this carefully because this is where the platform explains what will happen if you continue. Your account will be deleted in 30 days. That means the deletion is not immediate, but the process has started. During that time, your personal information, purchases, game progress, in-game content, Epic account balance, and any Unreal projects will be permanently deleted once the request is completed. You'll also see an important note that you have 14 days to cancel this request by signing into your account. So if you change your mind, you still have a short window where you can log back in and stop the deletion from fully going through. That's why it's very important to be certain before you continue. If you are absolutely sure you want to proceed, click Delete Account again to confirm. This final confirmation tells Epic Games that you want to move forward with the deletion request. Once you do that, the process is officially submitted and your account will begin the deletion timeline. And that's it. You now know how to delete your Epic Games account. Just remember to review the warning carefully before confirming, since this process removes a lot of important data and may affect purchases, progress, and connected projects. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.